Alright, so today I decided I'm going to fix my TV. It has a rather unique problem. It's my plasma TV. Let me get my window unstuck here. Okay, there we go. And the problem is it's starting to delaminate on the screen. You see that spider webbing kind of thing? This is a coating that they spray on the tube for like anti-glare, and you can kind of see how I'm able to make it come off. But it's starting to spread throughout the whole TV. I'm not sure exactly how it started. It was really cold this winter, and so this TV did get down to around 10 degrees, but it was not running during the time. Otherwise, everything works on it. So all the electronics still work. This is a 10, 11-year-old TV, and that's for a flat screen. That was really new for the time. I think it was around $18,000 when they bought this. So it's part of my collection. It's also my main daily driver TV out here in my special baby room. I got everything in storage mode right now, but yeah. So this coating, which is like an anti-glare coating, is starting to come off or delaminate from the tube. There, you can get a good shot of it. And what I started to do over here is scrape it off with a cassette tape holder, a little plastic one, and it seemed to work pretty well. Once I got this anti-glare stuff off, underneath it has just the glass itself, and so I was going to scrape the entire tube. I got a pack of razor blades. Razor blades always work well on glass, so let's try that. Okay, so still got my hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape this all off. Be very careful. Brand new razor blade here. I want to be careful not to scratch the glass. I just want to take off this anti-glare coating. You can't really fix this. It's pretty much shot, and so I want to be very careful not to scratch. Now, dang it. I already screwed it up. Why isn't this working like I thought it would? Dang it. Well, that's not working as well as I thought it would. Let me try a different blade. It's almost like that one wasn't shaped right. No, that's not working at all. That's terrible. Okay. If I go backwards. Well, taking all that off. Yeah, that's working a little better. I'm going down with the blade this way. I tried scraping it like you would on a window here, but this, it snags. It definitely snags on the tube. I made a small scratch up here into the tube, it looks like. At least it wasn't on the picture portion of it, but I don't want to do that anymore. But it looks like if I go opposite to what's intuitive, it scrapes off all the loose stuff. Well, this working. Well, I got off most of the part that was I'll have to try something else. That was my best hope, was using a razor blade. Now, when it's running, you don't really notice the spider webbing, but yeah, that's as best as I can get with the razor blade. Let me get close up here. You can see it's still there. Here's the spot where I was testing the razor blade and I made a little scratch. I can probably buff that out with something, but I'm not sure what to do about this. It's one of my favorite TVs, being one of the first generation plasmas. And I haven't found this problem online anywhere else. So I can't figure out what caused it or how to fix it. But it is the anti-glare coating on the tube that went bad. And the razor blade scraped off some of the crap, but not much. It's like this weird stuff. Well, if anyone can help me with this, please post down in the comments below. Such a rare TV. I'd like to be able to remove this coating. So if there's any sort of solvent or technique that someone can help me out with, please let me know. Post down in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.